Hey guys, another episode on the Caddy. So today we're going to be taking out the dashboard. So I've already started to take out a little bit, so I've taken out the headliner. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with that, if I'm going to replace it or give it a clean. But yeah, so I'm going to start by taking out the dashboard. I've got all of the old engine wiring loom still plugged in just in case I need it for reference later on. But yeah, so I'm going to take out the dashboard and then take out the wiring loom. So probably just label everything up just in case anything's burnt out and I need to replace it, and then go from there. But as you can see, a lot of the stuff has just been played around with. There's wires going everywhere. It looks like people put them in. I'm not sure if this is original, but yeah, let's just get on with it. Okay, so all of the interior is out, the dashboard, the heater box, and just you can see some places are slightly surface rusting. Some of the actual sound deadening is coming off on that side on there, but I'm going to tackle that later on. So I'm just going to give it a quick clean up and then just give it a quick spray, including the floor pans as well. But you've seen me spray about 1 billion times already, so probably won't show you that. So now moving on to the shifter. As you can see, I've made a little template over here. So the shifter is a little bit big from the back over here, so I'm gonna have to notch out a little bit of metal just from here. So I'm just gonna cut that with the grinder and drill 2 holes at the front. So I've just made this little template out. I put that on top of the actual shifter just to see the size difference between this one and that one. So the 2 holes I'm going to drill are just for these 2 here, and I'm going to have to make a bracket to go through these 2 holes onto the actual metal here. But I'll be showing you how I'm doing it anyway, so you can get a little bit more of an idea. Okay, so the shifter's all in. So I've only got these big washers in there for the moment, just for while I'm test fitting it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for when I actually install it in there, but it's all okay. The front is holding in now. I trimmed the back a little bit too big, but it should be okay. Fits in nice. So now I'm going to have to make the bracket that goes across and holds the back of the shifter in. Okay, so this is the bracket that I've made. So I'm going to drill 2 holes here and spot weld it, and on the other side as well. But yeah, so there's just 2 bolts. These are just tester bolts at the moment. They're probably going to be too long. Yeah, so what I've done, just bent a piece of metal, drilled 2 holes in the same spots as these holes. So that should be able to hold this side of the gear shifter and stop it moving. And I did gouge out a little bit from here, just so it fits nicely around the shifter, and a little bit here. So just sanded it a little bit in the middle and made it fit as best as I can. So yeah, so I'm going to get these 2 bits welded onto the car itself, and then that should be it for the shifter. Okay, so the interior has all been primed, including the roof and the floors. And just going back over the gear shifter. So I drilled 2 holes here, trimmed a little bit out of the front, a little bit out of the rear, and made this bracket and welded it on with 2 spot welds on each side just to hold the actual shifter on the rear. It all fits good now, and yeah, that's the inside done. So thank you for watching today's episode on the Caddy. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to share to your friends. Thanks for watching.